the new bird feeders. I can hear a woodpecker about 10 yards away. I've already scared some voles up walking around because I had to cut down branches. These are dead trees in the heart of the boreal bog.